everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at something that comes up a lot in the Shopify community forum: how to add a gift box option to your product page. Many store owners want to let customers choose gift wrapping right when they're shopping, and it's especially useful during the holiday season, or when you're selling products that are often given as presents. The common way to do this is by installing an upsell or bundle app and treating the gift box as a separate product. But if you don't want to add another app to your store, you can actually do it directly in the Dawn theme with a bit of custom code. The end result is simple. Your customers will see a gift box option right on the product page, and if they select it, it gets added to the cart along with the product. Before making any changes, I strongly recommend that you duplicate your current theme first. This way, if something goes wrong, you can always roll back without affecting your live store. Here's the process in short. First, create a new snippet called giftbox.liquid inside your snippets folder. Paste the code and save. All the codes used in this video are available in our blog. You can copy it directly from our blog, and the link is in the video description below. Then, open the main product liquid file and locate blocks property. Wrap the snippet within a blocks property. And double-check there isn't a trailing comma on the last element. Still in the main product liquid file, render the snippet by adding a piece of code in the right spot. Finally, go to your theme editor, add this new block under product information, and you'll see the gift box option appear on your product page. Here you can edit the text, connect the gift box product, and make sure everything looks the way you want. Just don't forget, you'll need to create a gift box product first so customers can actually select it. I haven't created a gift box product in the store yet, so I'll use another product as an example. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other Shopify customizations you'd like me to cover. For those who need help with development, store customization, or any technical service, we've just launched a special dev package for our YouTube fans with a big discount. Check out the video on screen for more details. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.